Hi, so today I'm going to show you guys how I do this kind of like fluffy kind of texture with my wigs, because it's a really popular kind of wig styling technique at the moment and I haven't seen a lot of tutorials on it, so I thought I would give a little tutorial. This is the unstyled pigtail, so it goes from this to this over here, and I can show you guys how to do it where it curls inward and how it curls outward, but it's really just the same technique, just like you change directions. But I'll show you how to do both just in case you want like a more in-depth tutorial, I guess, on both. But it's, like I said, it's the same technique. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the normal curled pigtail. I did crimp it, which I think helps a lot with like the texture and stuff. So if you haven't already crimped your wig, you might want to do that, but you can always come back to this video once you're done with that. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a straightener, and that's all you really need. You need a hair straightener, your fingers, and then maybe some hairspray, depending on if you want these to stay in very long. So I'm gonna show you how to curl them inward, but I'm not gonna keep it like that for this wig, because if you saw on my other one, all the ones in the ponytail are curled outward. So here, let me move closer. Whew. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a thin piece of hair, which is a common mistake I see people making, is that they don't want to use like thin pieces of hair because I guess it takes too long. But trust me, it gives it a much fuller look if you do smaller pieces. So you're gonna take your straightener, and you kind of have it, I have mine on the second highest setting it can be on, but if your hair straightener isn't very strong, I would suggest going higher. So you take it and you find a section of hair. I think I'm gonna go with like this much. And this is even a big strand, so I'm gonna take actually a little bit off. And you're gonna run through your thing. Here, I'll try and do it with my other hand. So you're gonna run through like once or twice maybe until the hair is really hot. And then you're gonna take it and you're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna go like this, like a curling iron. Yeah, like this. And you're gonna keep doing that until the hair cools. And if it burns your fingers, it should, but don't hurt yourself, if that makes sense. So you can see it's kind of like this, you kind of have half of it, but it's kind of dull. So you're gonna take the straightener again, and you're gonna do the ends, and you're gonna curl upward. Or oops, I went to go out. So you're gonna do this and you're gonna go hold it basically until it cools. And you see it's a little bit more firm. And there you see it's like a nice little curl. And so on the same wig, even though I'm not gonna keep it like this, and I said I was doing it earlier, but I got lost in the motion, I guess. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take your straightener and you're gonna go over it once and then twice. And this time you're just gonna go in like this. And I'll do a close-up in a second of these both so you can see what they look like. But yeah, it's really simple actually. You can spray these with hairspray if you want them, or you can just keep going over them over and over again. But I'll do a close-up real quick so you can see what they look like. So this is the outward curl close-up. You can see it's very bouncy and you want it to kind of just fall. You can brush these out if you think that they need to be like looser. I like mine like this though. I might even go over it again so it curls more like this. And then going down here is the inward curl, and it's like the same. I used it on the wig you can see behind. I used it on the base. But yeah, it's a really simple technique, but it looks really good on wig characters with a lot of layers if you don't want to do like points and stuff. But I will come back in a minute and show you guys the second ponytail when it looks like, when it's matching that one. Okay, so this is the final product. I didn't really do the back, but it looks fine. So yeah, this is what this tutorial can result in. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you. get the result you wanted in your wig. Yeah, bye.